Tired of ElevenLabs cutting you off mid-sentence? This quick guide will show you how to bypass the character limit reached error so you can create longer, uninterrupted voiceovers first. Let's understand why this happens. ElevenLabs, like many AI tools, imposes character limits to manage resources and processing time, but there are a few simple workarounds. The easiest method is to break your script into smaller segments, each under the character limit, which is typically around 2,500 characters. For free accounts, copy and paste each segment into ElevenLabs, generate the voiceover, and then download each clip. Next, use a free audio editing software like Audacity to seamlessly stitch these clips together into a single, longer voiceover. Audacity is free, easy to use, and allows for precise editing. Simply import each downloaded clip and arrange them in the correct order on the timeline. If you need to generate very long voiceovers frequently, consider upgrading to an ElevenLabs subscription. Paid plans offer significantly higher character limits and other benefits, making the process much more efficient. And that's it. No more frustrating interruptions. Just smooth, continuous voiceovers for all your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ElevenLabs tips and tricks.